Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Darwin's drawer puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Theo Gehring and Simon Havinga and 3D printed by No Problem Puzzles. Difficulty level of the Darwin's drawer puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the objective of the puzzle is to fit all 4 yellow pieces inside the drawer and then lock it. At first glance, it doesn't look too difficult since we have a 3x3x3 space inside and we have only 4 pieces. We can easily make a 3x3x3 shape using given parts. But the next step will be to put everything inside. And as soon as you put all 4 pieces inside the drawer, you will find that you can't fit it inside because the frame has a lot of restrictions. First of all, this part doesn't allow you to fit the drawer when it has pieces inside, so you have to remove everything. You can afford to put only 1 piece on the bottom and then you will be able to put the drawer in. If you have 2 pieces here, one of the pieces will be sticking above the cut here and you won't be able to fit the drawer in. And you can't put the drawer inside from the back side since the cutout here is not big enough. And then when you put the drawer in, you want to close it. All pieces that are above this line will be on the way and you won't be able to close the drawer. So you have to remove everything that sticks out and only then you will be able to close it. But as you can see, we still have 2 pieces left and only 2 pieces inside. So how to solve the puzzle? There are 2 ways. First, you can buy the puzzle and try to solve it by yourself. You can find this puzzle at puzzlemaster.ca. And second, if you already bought the puzzle and you have no idea how to solve it, keep watching this video. I will show you the solution in a minute. So how to solve the puzzle? First of all, remove all pieces from the drawer and now grab this piece and put it inside. The next piece will be this one. Put it inside right here. Here is a tricky part. You have to close the drawer, put it like so and spin it. The all-time favorite trick when solving puzzles, spin it. And you will find that the pieces changed their places. Now the piece that was here is inside. And if you move this part towards yourself, the piece that was here went down. Now we have some space left for the rest of the parts. But to put them, we have to put the drawer a little bit in and move that piece up that is on the back. Now, you have to keep it there. Now you have to grab another piece, this one, and put it inside, but it is supposed to go below that piece that is already inside, and we have enough space to fit the last piece and close the drawer. As you can see, the puzzle is solved. All 4 pieces are inside, but to complete the solution, we have to remove all parts. So this goes out, then you can move this piece out. When the back piece falls down, you can open the drawer all the way, remove this piece. And here the tricky part, again, you have to remove both pieces, but spinning trick won't help you here. But it is much easier to solve this part. Just hold this piece, flip the drawer so that the second piece will go up. Now you can move this piece 1 step down and close the drawer, tilt it to the left so that the back piece will go to the front, and you can remove the rest of the pieces. And the puzzle is solved. That was a solution of the Darwin's drawer puzzle. Amazing puzzle with quite interesting trick to solve it. I never expected such a trick in this type of puzzles, but as you can see, Theo Gehring and Simon Havinga managed to combine a couple of tricks from puzzles in one beautiful and very challenging puzzle. So if you like the Darwin's drawer puzzle or you want to try some other puzzles designed by Theo Gehring and Simon Havinga, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.